Today I have a stitch fix to share with you, and every time I do these I'm learning something new, because when I went to kind of make my selections I had favorited a few things on the website, and then come to find out the stylist can't see the things you favorite. So I was kind of trying to make suggestions of things to them, to things I would like to try, and it didn't work out. So I learned that you have to kind of put pins on a style board on the website, not on Pinterest. So I started to save some things there to give them an idea of things I like and styles I like and all of that, but they had already selected this before I learned all of that. So each time, hopefully it will get better, because I'm learning better how to plan and navigate the site in order to help out the stylist have a better understanding. But for this fix, I said if they wanted to send me more dresses to try, I would try those, and maybe a summary outfit. So I'm excited to see what I got. Let's change things up this time around and look at the items first, then read the note from the stylist, then try on. So first we've got this romper, pretty purple with flowers, does have an open back and cute little scalloped detailing on the pockets. This was one thing that I had seen on the site that I thought I might like to try. I've never worn a romper. I don't know how it's gonna fit with the inseam and all of that and the length, but we will find out. But that's the first item. So far so good. And then a dress, and I think I had seen this one, and maybe it was another one of the ones I liked. So they guessed well. And again, it's got a scalloped neckline. Well, what's going on with these straps? I don't know. Are they crisscross? Maybe they crisscross in the back, but pretty floral print, scalloped neckline, soft fabric, so we will see. I think a lot of it's gonna come down to pricing, but we'll see what happens. Okay, looks like another dress or romper. Let's find out. Dress. Coral with polka dots, more scallop neckline, so very similar to the last one, but slightly different back and print. This back is more bunched on the back. Yet another dress. It's interesting, they're sending me all dresses and they're all different than the ones I got last time, but this one is again slightly different. Don't love this pattern as much. Again, it's got a different back, more of a crisscross back, but looks quite flowy and swingy, so that's nice. I might have to go grab some sandals to try these on with, but there we go. And the final thing looks like a tank top. Pale purple. Looks a bit see-through though, and has buttons down the front with a tie in the front here. Don't love things that tie in the front like that, but the buttons could be cute, and like the color, but again, very sheer, because I'm seeing right through it in the light, so we will see. But so far, just based on first impression, looking at things, much better this time around than last time around. So now let's see what the note says. The stylist is Shannon. Hello, Erin. Spring is a lovely reminder of how beautiful change can truly be. It's always amazing to see everything start to wake up and feel the way the air begins to feel lighter. This is the first time I've had the pleasure of styling you. I read in your profile notes that you're a girly girl, and that makes me so happy. Oh, so they actually paid attention. That makes me happy too. I'm glad you snagged the adorable romper from Preview. I saw that along with some of the dresses I'm including in your freestyle saved items. Well, that's bizarre, because when I notified on Twitter to see if I could make changes and show them my favorites, they said the stylist couldn't see the favorites, but she's telling me she could, which is why it's better this time, because she was able to pick some of the things I favorited. So that's good. It sounds like you're on a mission to find a dress for a rehearsal dinner in Florida, so they evidently read the last time note. And I think you'll want to keep all of these beauties. The general good dresses are flowy and easy to pair with neutral sandals. How do you like them in person? I hope these fresh new pieces help you feel just as special as you are and make their way right into your suitcase. Well, so far, I'm liking Shannon. She seems to pay better attention, as to what things I like. She didn't have any mistakes in her note, so far it's going great. First things first is this top, and while I like it better on than I initially thought I was going to, it doesn't seem to fit quite right because, well, it's fine this way here, it seems a bit loose in where it's fitting over here, so that's not so great. Size medium, by the way. And yeah, so I'm just wearing it with my own leggings, but looks pretty good on, other than the fact that it doesn't fit correctly under here. So maybe I could change that by adjusting the tie, but I don't know. It's already tied pretty tightly and not making a difference underneath here. So just not the best fit, but I am surprised that I like it better on than I initially thought I was going to. Next up is this romper. I do find it quite cute and comfortable. I'm not sure exactly about the fit. I'll have to kind of look back on the video of it and see if I like the way the fit looks, kind of looking at it from a different perspective, but it feels comfortable. Of course, has the pockets. Now these things came to me kind of wrinkled, so since I don't own them myself, I don't want to iron them, but that's why they might be a bit wrinkly, just because they were in the box and all of that. But here this is. I really like the color and pattern. Just don't know exactly how I feel about it. It will depend on price too. I think the place I'm not sure and a bit self-conscious about is the back part of it in the bottom. So I'll have to see how that looks since I can't see it very well right now. I do like the scallop detailing here. I do feel like, I don't think it's too loose, but I might be a little conscious there of that being that low and loose. I don't know. I think it's okay, but I'd have to get a little bit more feel for it to make sure. This is a medium. I also don't know if this is how this back part is supposed to fit here, if it's gapping out at all. So again, I'm going to have to look at that on the video. So there you go. That's that romper. This dress is medium and I like it better on than I was thinking I would. It fits pretty well. I like the neckline. The print, I'm still not totally sure. I do like how it's nice and flowy at the bottom. And then you can see the back here, the crisscross of the back. The one thing I'm not sure about is the straps. They feel like they might be a little bit tight and like might dig in a little bit. So that's the only thing I'm not sure as far as the fit, but otherwise I think it fits pretty well and it's flowy, bit stretchy, and would be a very comfortable dress. All right, here's the next dress. This one isn't as flowy as the last one. It sits a little bit more straight, doesn't spin and twirl as much. Has similar neckline except that this neckline is scalloped, and this dress does have pockets with scalloping as well. And then the back is different in that it doesn't have the crisscross and it's that bunched backing that goes up a little bit high, or just isn't as open. So hopefully you can hear me when I turn around, but it's a cute pattern, cute color. Don't know exactly how I feel about the fit just yet, because I feel like it's a little bit maybe of an awkward length, with those, which I'll show you in the wider shots with my shoes on. But while I like the cute scalloping, I don't know, I like that twirly feeling, so I don't know if I like this one as much. We will see. It's hard to tell. So many dresses, it's, for a girly girl, it's a lot of choice and things to think about. All right, we've got the final dress, which again feels kind of tight in these straps, like they're pulling a little bit. Also, this one feels like it's a little snug right here. Nothing too bad, but just a little tighter than the others. And it's interesting because they all seem to be somewhat different material, but this one is very soft and comfortable. It's definitely flowy like some of the others, but not like the last one. And I, again, like the scalloped neckline. This one doesn't have pockets. And yeah, it's just comfortable and flowy, but because of the fit with the tight straps and feeling tight here, I don't know if I would get it because I want it to fit correctly if I'm going to get it. Plus, this one isn't my favorite back. It's just got the X in back, and it's not my favorite back. That's the final dress. And now the moment I'm nervous for, the pricing. I'm starting with the tank top, which I know I'm not keeping. That is the Tied to You knit tank from Sanctuary in light purple, size medium. $48 for that tank top. Well, that's steep, but we're not keeping it anyway, so that's a no. Next up is the romper. It's the 41 Hawthorne Beatrice Scallop Detail Romper in light purple, size medium. $68. I like it, but I don't know if I like it for $68, so I'm going to have to think about it after kind of reviewing the footage and stuff. Now, if I was to buy everything from this fix, I would get a 25% off discount, which would take $70 off the total. But I'm not keeping the tank, so that's already out. TBD. Next is this dress, which is from the General Good. It's the Rain Back Detail Brush in navy, size medium. Now this one's $48, so $20 less than the romper. But it wasn't in the top favorites. So we will see. Although that was the flowy one, so I don't know. This one is the General Good as well. But it is the Sonia Knit Scalloped Dress in navy medium, also $48. But this was the one that didn't fit the way I loved, so I'm probably going to say no to this one. And the final one will be the polka dots. This is from 41 Hawthorne, Beatrice Scallop Detailed Dress. Oh, so same as the romper, just it's a dress. They call this pink. I would call it more of a coral than pink. Again, size medium, and again, $68. So that 41 Hawthorne brand is definitely more money. Well, I've got some thinking to do on what I'm gonna keep, if anything, mainly because the prices. So I will let you know once I've decided. I will say overall though, this fix was much better because it is more things I like. So I will probably keep Shannon as my stylist going forward, if possible. I looked back at the video and pictures and got a second opinion from my mom. And you're not gonna believe it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep anything. Because while I love the way some of the dresses look and fit in the front, I really don't love the backs. The way they are kind of crisscross and all over the place. And the final one I did, the navy one, I don't know if it's just not on right, but it kind of fits like crooked on me. So because of that, and because they're not $20 dresses, I don't think I'm going to keep them. The romper I really like, but my mom agreed that the back gaps a bit and fits a bit weird, so that's unfortunate. And the only one I didn't mind the back of was the polka dot one. That one's $68, and I don't love it to death to get it for $68. So, while Shannon did a great job, unfortunately, just none of these dresses are perfect for me, partly because of the backs. And I don't want to have to go braless or wear a strapless bra or anything like that, and I just don't love the way that they fall and lay on me. I'm probably over-explaining. Maybe you'll feel different, maybe you'll agree. Let me know in the comments. So, sadly, I don't think I'll be keeping anything. But the hunt is still on for a cute dress or romper or something like that. And I put my personal shopper on it, my mom, because I don't have much time to shop around. And it's hard to buy things online because sizing and all that. So, while I really did enjoy this fix much more than the past few, sadly, nothing's gonna work out. But let me know what I should ask for in the next fix. I could probably get one more in before June. Maybe two. Probably one. We'll see. But there you go. Sadly, I won't be keeping any of these. If they had different backs to them, I think there'd be quite a few winners, but It's just not selling me. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.